I'm videoing you. That's my partner right there. We're doing all the ridge caps on the roof, all the vents, all the flashings, and anything on there that's yellow that they repaired or put new on. We're painting over it with a special paint for tile. It's about a 3,500 square foot home. Probably take us an hour to do this house. Hour and a half tops. It's got to touch anything up with brushes that we can't spray. We'll find a lot of broken tiles up here, a lot of tiles that ain't attached. I'm going to take pictures of more of those before I leave. Alright, so I'm going to bounce off here. I got to move the hose and everything for them and continue on.